The powerful Apple Mac Pro now has a
I shall call him Mini-Me.
and this can probably save a lot of money, but does it really worth it? Let's take a look. Also, as fancy it is, can this dock actually handle heat and heavy workflow? We are going to unbox it like a soup, set it up with SSD, test the ports and see how it transforms Mac Mini into a studio-ready powerhouse with a cool look. I mean, it looks cool, right? This company, Orico, sent me this dock for review, but I don't have any partnership with them. That means I can be honest about this product, and oh yeah, I will. First of all, why do we need a dock with Mac Mini M4? Mac Mini M4 has enough ports as it needs, but they are all USB-C. So either you can buy multiple docks and converters to connect all your regular devices, or you can hold the style. And oh yeah, this is why we bought Mac Mini M4, because look at this, look at the design, and we don't want to ruin that design, period. And that is what we're going to look for when we're evaluating this dock to be useful or not. The package looks okay. We get a manual, one screwdriver and two heatsink. The body is built good, aluminum made, has a feel-good touch. The dock stands on 4 legs and got very good grip and got 2 handles on the top, easy to carry. But I'm not sure if I'm going to carry it all together or not. We will see. We have 2 USB 3 cutouts here and one USB-C on the back, which is used to connect the dock to the Mac Mini itself. In the face, we have our SD card and micro SD card slots, and we have the access to USB-C port right there in the front. Here we have 2 more card points to access our other ports, USB-C ports and the headphone jack. On the top, we have 2 Mac Pro like handles, very helpful if you want to swing your Mac Pro, I mean when you are bored. And at the bottom, there starts the game, means the SSD slot. Let's install the SSD. Installing the SSD is very simple. We take off the plate by unscrewing it, slide the SSD to the slot, use the screw given with the packaging to lock the SSD on place. Make sure to peel off one of the heatsink given in the package and paste it on the bottom of the cover plate. That way it won't ever get stuck to your SSD, rather it's gonna get glued to your metal plate. Now let's screw it lock and that's it. Our SSD shall stay hidden here for the rest of its life. And now let's put the Mac Mini inside this shell. Putting the Mac Mini inside dock is also easy, nothing rocket science. We push this lock on this side, this will make the cover part snap out. Let's place the Mac Mini inside. We need to make sure to keep the power button towards the bottom. Believe me, it's easy to be confused because the Mac Mini build is so even that you can just fit it any way you want. But let's do it properly. When the Mac Mini is placed properly, it almost slides through the rubberish grip inside. Very Apple packaging like feel. I mean, when you take off Mac Mini itself out of the Apple packaging, then you get the feeling. Also, you get the same packaging feeling with Apple devices such as iPhone or Mac Pro. We press it little to lock it perfectly, place the plate and make sure the lock clicks, and that's it. Oh wait, I forgot to actually connect this dock to the Mac Mini itself. So let's use this USB-C cable given with the package and let's connect this dock to the Mac Mini USB-C. So how does it look now? Okay, this looks good. The handles make me want to carry the Mac Mini and it feels enough protected except for the most sensitive plastic part that Apple themselves could not hide or protect. So no, I am not putting this into my backpack without any additional protection and go out. With a cool look, I mean, this looks cool, right? So write it in the comment below if you think it looks cool as well. Now let's put up a mini kit and see how does it look. So we put up a tiny portable monitor, a tiny keyboard and a mouse kit. and you can guess how small and good computer it can be. But it is super powerful because M4. Wait a minute, was it all sunshine? No. Let me share few of the challenges I have found so far with this dock. Okay, as you have seen, installation of this Mac Mini inside this dock was fairly quick. It almost snapped in. But taking the Mac Mini out of this dock is not that simple. The good side of these rubber grips will turn into cons if you want to take it out very often because it's so tight. Okay, I get it. Mac Mini itself is really tiny and small. It makes both of us to take it in our backpack and go to our school or our work and maybe shopping to a dock. So if you're looking for a dock like that, check out here. And hi, my name is Zunayed Sabbir Ahmed. I'm from a beautiful country called Bangladesh. And hey, check out here to know what 4 things you must need to start VJing. See you there. Bye-bye.